Okay, here we have 1 plus I over 2 minus I. Again, we can't just start crossing stuff off because that goes together and that goes together. Now, when we're dividing or have fractions, we can't have an I on the bottom. So what I need to do is multiply by the conjugate, which means I'm flipping that sign in the middle. So if it was 2 minus I, we're multiplying the top and the bottom by 2 plus I. And then I multiply across, which means I'm going to have to FOIL. So 1 times 2 gives me 2. 1 times I is I times 2 is 2I, and I times I is I squared. Okay, on the bottom, 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times I is 2I. Negative I times 2 is a negative 2I, and negative I times I is a negative I squared. All right, so let's look at the top and simplify this. We know I squared is negative 1. Okay, so really, this is plus a negative 1. So a 2 and a negative 1 gives me a positive 1. And I still have I plus 2I is 3I. Okay, on the bottom, my 2i's cancel. This I squared is a negative 1. So minus a negative 1 is a positive 1. 4 plus 1, I get 5. I can't pull anything out. I can't simplify this any farther. There's my final answer.